first of all, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes. We are employees of the Landesbetrieb Wald und Holz NRW, more precisely of the Regional Forestry Office Ostwestfalen-Lippe. And we all studied forestry or forest science. And my name is Annette Uhr, and this is...
My name is Erik Jansen, and I am the leader of the Forestry District Spandrup.
My name is Julius Biere. I studied forestry as well, and I work for the Landesbetrieb, for the regional office, and with topic about planting, new plants.
Okay, what does a forester in Germany do?
We are responsible for the forest in this region, as we said, and mostly the forests in this region are split. The forests are split into little pieces, and they have private owners like teacher, lawyer, dentist, builder, and so on. And these people need advice how to manage their forests.
And we are also going to hunt, or are hunting here in the wood, because the animals, or some animals like deers, are damaging our plants.
Yeah. The main focus on our forest is the product wood, and when we cut the trees and harvest them, we have to plant new trees for every cut tree, and this is mainly the planning and organization of this, what the forester does. Yeah.
And what is your most favorite part of the job? To plant forests.
Yeah,
to plant with you.
Plant. This is something like a new beginning of life. Young plants that become big trees and make great wood.
Yes, and we are often also often outside in the woods and are working with plants or animals. Or yes,
it's nice to be outside and not in the office.
Yeah. And is there also something you don't like? Yes, paperwork in the office.
Yeah. And when it's very cold outside and we have to work outside, sometimes it can be a little bit cold.
Hard, yeah.
Or in summer when it's too hot.
So you already talked about hunting, and our Kenyan friends probably don't know what animals we have here in Germany. So could you tell us some, Grace?
We have a lot of deer here. Mainly in Germany, 3 kinds of species of deer. Here, the most little species of it is often a problem because they eat the little plants, the tip of it, and that's the reason why we have to hunt them. But we also got wild boar, big pigs, and but they are normally not that problem for new plants. And a problem often is mice, Mäuse, and they feed by the roots of the plants.
Okay, you also talked about harmful animals, and I wanted to ask, because we are planting trees here today of the bark beetle, mainly the bark beetle, and I wanted to ask you if you could tell our friends something about them.
Yes, we have mainly an issue with 2 of these species, and they are feeding from the right under the skin of the tree.
The bark?
The bark. So they can't feed anymore by the sunlight, I say it in this way. And this is a reason why many trees, mainly spruce trees, are dying, and this is a reason why we do have very many areas like this where no trees are anymore because trees died, and now we have to replant this all. Yeah.
Here's a piece of bark with some, And see one? No, I thought there was one.
Yeah, that's a beetle.
Yeah.
Okay, which trees are we planting today and why?
The main part are beech and oak, and as well we do have Douglas fir. Those are still green in the winter, and yeah, so you can keep them apart.
Okay, and you can see that there is Germany, and 10,000 kilometers down in the south is Kenya. And in Kenya they have only 2 seasons in the year, wet or dry. And in Germany we have 4. And can you tell us a bit about the impact they have on the trees?
Yes, we have these 4 seasons. As you can see right now, we are in the winter, and a part of the trees don't have leaves in winter here, and they throw the leaves in fall, and in the following spring, the trees get leaves again, and keep them over summer until the next fall. So every year they produce new leaves. Yeah, and this is to keep energy and wetness in the tree itself. Yeah.
Okay, so our last topic or last question would be, we also talked about why trees are important to us with our Kenyan friends, and we wanted to ask you, why do you think trees are important, or why are they important to you?
Right now they are very important for us because they take carbon from the atmosphere, so they help against climate change, and as well we use the trees to get wood for our houses and buildings and a lot of other products, and as well the forest itself is a resource for us, as well as meat from deer or the wood.
The woods clean the air, they produce oxygen, and they deliver nice environment, for people, animals and plants.
Okay, thank you for the interview.
Yeah, thank you.
You helped us a lot.